artificial intelligence could replace the equivalent of 300 million full-time jobs, according to investment bank Goldman Sachs, and that transition is already underway.
Can AI truly replace all jobs? Is there any job out there that artificial intelligence still can't conquer? Well, you might be surprised to discover that amidst the rise of AI, there are still a few roles that remain irreplaceable. By the end of this video, you will uncover the remarkable truth about jobs that AI simply can't replace, at least right now. Let's start. Number 10. System architects. System architects play a vital role in designing, configuring, operating, and maintaining computer and networking systems. With their expertise, they analyze the desired processes and outcomes, providing valuable guidance on the most suitable combination of IT systems and components to achieve specific business, departmental, team, or functional goals. These professionals possess a comprehensive understanding of IT infrastructure, software applications, and network architecture. They carefully evaluate the organization's requirements, considering factors such as scalability, security, reliability, and performance. By leveraging their knowledge and experience, system architects ensure that the chosen systems align with the organization's needs and objectives. While AI and automation have made advancements in IT management and system optimization, the role of system architects remains indispensable. Their deep expertise, critical thinking abilities, and holistic understanding of both technical and business aspects enable them to make informed decisions, address complex challenges, and provide strategic guidance that aligns with the organization's goals. Number 9. Directors, managers, and CEOs. When it comes to leadership and decision-making in the business world, the roles of directors, managers, and CEOs are among those that artificial intelligence struggles to replace. These positions require a unique blend of strategic thinking, emotional intelligence, and interpersonal skills that are deeply rooted in human experience. Leadership within an organization goes beyond a set of predefined behaviors that can be programmed into code and executed linearly. It encompasses the ability to inspire, guide, and motivate teams towards a shared vision. A CEO, in particular, holds the responsibility of disseminating the company's mission and values throughout the organization, ensuring alignment and fostering a sense of purpose. These roles demand a deep understanding of multifaceted factors, the ability to consider long-term implications, and the aptitude for managing ambiguity and uncertainty. While AI can provide data-driven insights, it still lacks the contextual understanding and holistic judgment required for complex decision-making. Number 8. PR managers. Public relations, PR. Managers play a vital role in shaping and maintaining a company's image, reputation, and public perception. At the heart of public relations lies the art of relationship building and expanding one's network. PR managers are skilled in navigating diverse audiences and leveraging various communication channels to establish connections and convey messages effectively. The multifaceted nature of their work makes it challenging for artificial intelligence to replicate their role effectively. The role of a PR manager extends beyond disseminating information. It involves employing the human touch to generate awareness, inspire action, create buzz, and generate support for campaigns or fundraising efforts. AI technologies, while powerful in their capabilities, currently fall short in their ability to forge emotional connections and resonate with the human brain at a deep emotional level. Number 7. AI coaches. AI coaching is a systematic process that leverages artificial intelligence to support clients in setting and achieving their professional goals. This innovative approach combines the power of technology with the expertise of human coaches to facilitate efficient and effective solutions. While AI has its benefits and capabilities, there are certain aspects of coaching that only a human coach can provide, making the role of an AI coach irreplaceable. Human coaches possess the ability to establish a genuine connection with their clients. Coaching involves building trust, empathy, and rapport. It's about understanding the unique goals, motivations, and challenges of each individual. AI can offer insights and information about AI, but it cannot replicate the depth of human connection and understanding that a human coach can provide. Additionally, coaching requires a deep level of emotional intelligence and intuition. Human coaches excel in recognizing and interpreting nonverbal cues, emotions, and underlying motivations. This allows them to ask probing questions, offer personalized feedback, and guide individuals through complex decision-making processes. While AI can process data and provide recommendations, it lacks the emotional intelligence and nuanced understanding necessary for effective coaching. Number 6. Electricians. Electricians play a crucial role in the installation, maintenance, and repair of electrical systems. Their expertise and knowledge of electrical principles ensure the safe and efficient operation of various electrical components and systems. Electricians are skilled in reading blueprints, interpreting electrical codes and regulations, and planning the layout of electrical wiring in buildings. They are responsible for installing wiring, outlets, switches, and lighting fixtures, ensuring proper connections and compliance with safety standards. Their meticulous attention to detail and adherence to electrical codes help prevent electrical hazards and maintain the integrity of electrical systems. While advancements in automation and smart technologies have introduced certain automated electrical systems, the role of electricians remains critical. They possess specialized knowledge and hands-on skills that are indispensable in handling complex electrical tasks, troubleshooting intricate systems, and ensuring compliance with electrical codes and safety regulations. Electricians are essential in maintaining electrical systems to ensure their optimal performance and longevity. They conduct routine inspections, perform preventive maintenance, and identify potential risks or deteriorating components. By detecting and addressing issues early on, electricians help prevent electrical failures, reduce downtime, and enhance the overall safety and reliability of electrical systems. Number 5. HR managers. HR managers hold a vital role within organizations, encompassing a range of crucial responsibilities. While their tasks include hiring new professionals, their significance extends to maintaining a motivated workforce, detecting early signs of discontent, and effectively managing employee relations. While AI has made significant inroads in HR processes, particularly in applicant filtering through software, it cannot fully replace the role of HR managers. The evaluation of candidates goes beyond the information presented on paper. It requires the ability to assess interpersonal dynamics, soft skills, and cultural fit that are challenging to program into a machine. HR managers possess the human touch necessary to identify nuances that may not be evident on a resume or during an interview. They utilize their experience, intuition, and knowledge of the organization's values and culture to make informed decisions. Understanding the complexities of human behavior, motivations, and team dynamics requires human judgment and empathy that AI currently cannot replicate. Number 4. Marketing managers. Marketing managers play a pivotal role in crafting compelling content and driving successful marketing campaigns. Their expertise encompasses monitoring trends, interpreting data, and making real-time adjustments based on feedback. While AI can assist in predicting campaign performance, it is highly improbable that it will fully replace the human element in marketing. The dynamic nature of marketing requires a deep understanding of consumer behavior, market trends, and the ability to connect with target audiences on an emotional level. Marketing managers possess the creative vision, strategic thinking, and storytelling skills necessary to develop impactful campaigns that resonate with customers. Market research analysts provide valuable insights by analyzing data and identifying consumer preferences and trends. Number 3. Nurses. Nurses play a vital role in the healthcare system, providing essential care, compassion, and support to patients. Their expertise and dedication contribute to the overall well-being and recovery of individuals in various healthcare settings. Nurses are responsible for a wide range of tasks, including administering medications, monitoring vital signs, conducting assessments, and implementing care plans. They collaborate with interdisciplinary teams to coordinate patient care, ensure proper communication, and advocate for their patients' needs. Despite advances in technology and automation within healthcare, the role of nurses remains irreplaceable. They possess skills AI doesn't have. In addition to their clinical skills, Nurses possess exceptional interpersonal and communication abilities. They establish strong relationships with patients, offering emotional support and empathy during challenging times. Number 2, therapists and social workers. The fields of therapy and social work rely heavily on human connection, empathy, and emotional intelligence, making them resistant to replacement by AI. While AI may advance in mimicking human emotion, it still lacks the deep understanding and genuine empathy that these professions require. Although there are developments in using face recognition technology for initial AI counseling and support, mental health is a delicate and nuanced domain. The human touch is indispensable in providing the necessary support and guidance for individuals to thrive in all aspects of their lives. To effectively assist humans in their personal journeys, it is crucial to have a human experience and an innate understanding of the complexities of the human condition. No matter how sophisticated AI systems may become in the future, it is highly unlikely that these professions will be substituted by algorithms or prosthetic-faced cyber-friendly entities. Number 1. Scientists. Scientists, with their specialized expertise in various fields, are unlikely to be completely replaced by AI. While AI can certainly provide valuable assistance in scientific endeavors, the depth and breadth of knowledge required, along with the demand for critical thinking and nuanced understanding, pose challenges for AI to assume full control. Scientific research involves intricate processes, complex data analysis, and the application of theoretical frameworks. Scientists rely on their years of education, creativity, ability to think outside the box, hands-on experience, and deep understanding of their respective fields to formulate hypotheses, design experiments, and draw meaningful conclusions. Scientists, with their specialized knowledge, critical thinking skills, and creative problem-solving abilities, are unlikely to be fully replaced by AI. If you have made it this far, comment down below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.